Western blotting is one of the most commonly used techniques in the lab, yet difficulties persist in obtaining consistent, quality results. At Merck Millipore, we've been helping scientists perform their Western blots for decades with continued innovation and steadfast technical support. Explore our expanded portfolio of products covering each step of the Western blotting workflow. Since its introduction, SnapID has allowed its users to rethink Western blotting in a whole new dimension with this simple application, using a vacuum manifold to speed their Western blot incubation workflow without sacrificing results. With SnapID 2.0, we have redesigned our original, innovative design to be more user-friendly and provide even more reproducible results than before, while expanding the current design's capabilities. The SnapID 2.0 consists of three basic components: the base, frame, and blot holder. Each is necessary in order to perform your immunodetection using the device. Also necessary are a vacuum source, trap, and filter. The base is adaptable to hold up to 3 different frames and blot holders for different sized gel blots of the following sizes: Multi-Blot 4.5 by 8.4 centimeters, Mini 7.5 by 8.4 centimeters, or MIDI 8.5 by 13.5 centimeters. To run your SnapID 2.0 system, you will need a fresh blot holder. Pre-wet your blot holder in the tray provided using Millicue purified water or distilled water. Sandwich your membrane between the blot holder in the orientation shown here. Make sure that the protein side of the membrane is facing protein side up. It is important to remove all bubbles and air pockets between the membrane and blot holder. To aid in this step, we include a blot roller and roller pad. Carefully place your blot holder in the frame and secure it by snapping the latch shut. You can now place the blot holder and frame onto the base. With the snap vacuum off, add 30 milliliters of block noise canceling reagent to your blot holder. Now turn on the SnapID 2.0 vacuum to block your blot. Push down gently on the frame to ensure a proper seal with the base. After the well has emptied, turn off the SnapID 2.0 vacuum. The blocking is instantaneous. With the SnapID 2.0 vacuum off, use a pipette tip to distribute the primary antibody over the entire membrane in a zigzag pattern. Use the volume recommended in the user guide according to the blot holder frame size. The membrane will absorb your antibody solution. Wait 10 minutes. With the blot holder in the well, turn on the SnapID 2.0 vacuum and wait until the solution has cleared. With the vacuum running continuously, wash the blot 4 times with 30 milliliters of TBST or PBST. Turn off the SnapID 2.0 vacuum and use a pipette tip to distribute the secondary antibody over the entire membrane in a zigzag pattern. Use the volume recommended in the user guide according to the blot holder frame size. Again, the membrane will absorb your antibody solution. Wait 10 minutes. With the blot holder in the well, turn on the SnapID 2.0 vacuum and wait until the solution is cleared. With the vacuum running continuously, wash the blot 4 times with 30 milliliters of TBST or PBST. Turn off the SnapID 2.0 vacuum. Remove the blot holder from the system. Turn it over so that the blue side is up. Remove the blot. Remember that the blot orientation will be protein side down. Incubate with the appropriate detection reagent. When you are finished with the instrument, be sure to flush thoroughly with Millicue purified water or distilled water to prevent buildup of salt crystals. If the instrument needs to be cleaned, you can soak the unit in 10% bleach for 4 hours. Flush each well with 750 milliliters of bleach solution, then flush thoroughly with Millicue purified water or distilled water. For more information on the SnapID 2.0 system and other essential Western blotting tools, visit us on the web at the URL shown.